And welcome back, everyone. Tomorrow is Veterans Day, and the VA does have a message to our local veterans who might be struggling with either a respiratory issue or cancer.
So you may be eligible for medical and financial assistance through the VA if you were exposed to burn pits. It's now covered under new law the president signed over the summer. 12 News reporter Kate Walsh explains how it expands the coverage.
The PACT Act was passed by Congress back in August after much back and forth among members of Congress. And now the VA is trying to get the word out to veterans who may be eligible.
I was in Desert Storm next to the oil fields when they were on fire.
The price of freedom is not free.
The oil fields were so intense that the sky in the middle of the day would turn daylight to night because the sun just couldn't get through the black smoke from the oil wells.
For decades, our military members were exposed to toxic chemicals while serving our country.
This was 1992. Yeah, we literally burned everything.
To his knowledge, Larry Connell doesn't have any health problems from burn pits and toxic chemicals during his years as an Army helicopter pilot. But as a longtime director of VA medical centers and the current director of the VA Providence healthcare system, he sees firsthand the medical issues presumably stemming from that exposure.
It caused a lot of respiratory issues, some cancers.
The PACT Act, now in effect, presumes any qualifying health condition like cancers or asthma in veterans exposed to those burn pits are a result of that exposure.
This is the most significant law our nation has ever passed to help millions of veterans.
As a result, VA healthcare covers their treatment, and some could be eligible for benefits.
You can get a disability rating and in some cases a disability payment as a result of your exposure to toxic chemicals.
I asked Connell if they've seen anyone at the VA Providence who has come forward specifically because of this new act.
Not yet,
okay.
But we're really doing a concerted effort for outreach to veterans that may have been exposed to toxic chemicals. And our team is sending them letters saying, hey, look, we see you served in Iraq in this date. You could be eligible for toxic exposures. We encourage you to file a disability claim with VBA and also come in here and enroll in the VA healthcare system.
He said they do, however, already have many veterans being treated for conditions presumed to be caused by burn pits, but have otherwise already qualified for health care through the VA.
Numbers-wise, we've run the models. We think in Providence there's roughly about an additional 7,000 to 10,000 veterans that could be eligible for the PACT Act.
If you'd like to find out if you qualify for health care or benefits or both through the VA due to this new PACT Act, you can find out a link on how to do so on our website at WPRI.com. I'm Kate Walsh, 12 News.